Hey everybody, I just got a cream blush palette in like just a few minutes ago. I had an Amazon credit. I've never worked with this brand before, and I can't wait to see what's in here. So let's go. So I guess you'd call this an unboxing? I don't know. I had an Amazon credit, and I just really wanted to try like a giant blush palette, but I've been preferring cream blushes lately. It was kind of hard to tell what company this was going to be when I ordered it online from Amazon. Interesting. I just saw it says rechargeable, refillable. I have no idea what this is going to be. They claim to be cruelty free, but like I said, I couldn't do much research because I didn't really know what this company was. It didn't say Carla Secret on the Amazon thing. It just like a bunch of places said cruelty free. But I did just look up Carla Secret and it does say cruelty free a bunch of places. So that's good news. The English on here is a little suspect or just a little off. This looks like Arabic to me. It looks like it's coming from right to left. Oh, it does have a... Is that the Leaping Bunny symbol? That's not usually what the Leaping Bunny symbol looks like, so I hope this is cruelty-free. Somewhere, yeah, this says it's made in China. I don't know that exporting from China requires animal testing. I know that importing to China, they require animal testing. I don't know. Let's open it. Whoa. Whoa. This is just the outer box. It's like an Altoid container. Oh, if this is what the blushes look like, I'm gonna be so happy. It's metal. Okay, there's a little claspy thing here. How do you... Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh, and it says refillable. There's little slots in here. Let me see if I can get it. I don't want to mess up the products, but I believe these come out. Let's try with a nail file. Oh no, oh, I just messed it up. It's okay. I'm about to swatch it because I'm not going to be able to wait. Yes! Oh, you could even rearrange them, it looks like. There's a little lipstick that they would come out. I'm not going to work too hard on that because I don't want to mess anything up. Let me just go ahead and swatch this because I am so excited. Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here because I have sat with this blush now for a couple of days and I found out some kind of interesting things about it. It's a dupe. Pretty much exactly for a Makeup Forever palette. This is supposed to be cruelty-free. This is Carla Secret, which I'd never heard of, but a couple sources did say they were cruelty-free. Hopefully they actually are. I don't know if Makeup Forever is cruelty-free, but they have a palette that looks exactly like this. Actually, I don't know if it has all blush. This company had, I think there were two options of a palette like this, where the one side was blush and the other side was face products, you know, bronzer and highlighter or something. I chose to get the blush one and it's all cream. I didn't realize it was a dupe for a very high-end version of this from Makeup Forever, and their version is $88. $88. It is 12 products, and I think if I did the math right, it was like $7 and some change dollars per pan, which I have bought blushes for like $7 or $8, usually with coupons, but so this is a dupe. Like my video about the Huda Beauty versus You Can Be palette that I was like, is this the same palette? Just, you know, rebranded, or I don't know. I don't think this is the exact product, just like repackaged or something. First of all, the packaging is basically the same, obviously a different name on it. I'm rambling, sorry. But the reason I know it's not the exact same one is because they have these little nooks in here where you can remove a pan. And I'm going to confirm, but I believe Makeup Forever probably has them magnetic. So you can pick them up and put them back or rearrange them or whatever you want to do. Well, I shouldn't have done this, but I took one out and it was glued on. It popped out pretty easily, but this is just plastic. This isn't magnetic. So they took the product or something very similar and duped the look, the packaging, you know, almost everything except that these don't really come out unless you don't want them to go back in, or I'm just gonna hot glue it back in. Yeah, I you know, I doubt the Makeup Forever one would do that. I don't know. I'm just kind of giving my 2 cents on it. So I can't really take these out unless I'm planning on gluing them back in. I don't think I would. I mean, if I pan like I don't know. I like this packaging. Like, this is cool, you know? It'd be cool if it was magnetic, but that's okay. So, major difference there. I'm still loving this product though. You do not need much. I don't know how anybody would hit pan on any of these or like mix the colors because they're bright. I gotta glue that one in quick because I notoriously like to break things. Not like to break things, I just do break things. Anyway, yeah, don't take the pans out on this one. Alright, they don't have names as you saw, so I'm just gonna do the 6 on the left first. Alright, I'm just gonna go for it. These are creams, so these are gonna be a little harder for me to get off. The first one, this is the first time swatching these. Ooh, it's like a deep berry red. I wonder if you could use these on your lip because that's pretty gorgeous. I'm going to be careful with that one on my complexion. Next is, oh, this is like a nice, I was looking for this pink. I kind of felt like I didn't have this in my collection. I'm probably a liar, and I do, and I just forgot about them. Alright, third one is just like a nice mauve-y pink. That's what it looks like in the pan. And then, oh my goodness. This has a lot more red to it than this one. This one's more purple. These are bright. Bubblegum pink. I think this was another color that I was like, I don't know if I technically have that. I'll have to look at my blush swatch video and find out. Alright, then this is the 6th one on that side. This is... how do I describe this? It's lighter. It's more of a carnation pink. This has a little purple in it from what I can see. So that's the 6 on the left side. These are so smooth and creamy. I can't wait to play with these. So on the right side, let's see. Ooh. Very bright. Exactly. These are pretty much exactly as they look in the pan. Then this one should be lighter. Interesting. It's very similar. The ones on the right are a little more orange leaning from first glance. They're like warmer. I don't know though. This is pretty red. This is pretty red. I love this though. What a variety. My goodness. Okay. Wow. Wow. That's like a fluorescent red. That reminds me. Oh. These two remind me of the 2 of the Koki blush colors. These are very similar. This is a little more, it's a little less intense. I don't know if that makes sense. This one is more red and the other one is slightly more muted. I keep having like the salmon color come to mind, but I'm not sure if that's what I actually mean. Okay, this next one should be straight up orange. Oh my god. Wow. It's so bright. It's so bright. And then this is the last one. Ooh. This is more neutral. It's a darker It's like a salmon color. I think the most neutral, like, for me, when I say contour shade, I don't mean like the brown shade. I mean like when I put blush on, it kind of looks like I have nothing on and it's just my natural blush color. It's just enhanced. And I think this one is probably closest to that. That does not scare me away from using any of these though. The palette is a little, you know, you can see that I swatched them here, but it like wasn't soft enough that it like went down very low. Oh my gosh, these are gorgeous. These are bright. They seem to be cruelty free. Please, please, please. Because I wouldn't have wanted to buy it otherwise. Okay, so yeah, I love that the packaging is it the colors? It's basically the color. Yeah, it's the colors. They're just reversed because you can flip it open. I love that. That's so cool. They have more like this. I think they have some face palettes. They may even have another blush palette. They feel a lot like the e.l.f. putty blushes, but that may be just because I don't work with many cream blushes. Yeah, this is awesome. I can't wait to play with it more. Thank you for watching this video. We've got our entire blush collection before we bought this posted. We've got lipstick collections posted. We've got a ton of eyeshadow swatches. So go check that out, subscribe, and it'll let you know when we have more. Thanks for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Shoot. Which one was it now? Oh, I almost dropped the whole thing. This company has one that is blush and face cream, it's cream, but, and like face colors,